Maybe you should fix your shower. Cause I got more information. It's about an hour. You just had them shut your mouth twice. Slap that mohawk into a chin strap.
Sky.